I've got a confession. I collect dirt in the shape of balls, but they're shiny. You've probably seen this and thought it was some kind of crazy AI, that these simply could not be made from mud. We've all picked up a handful of soil and thought absolutely nothing of it. I mean, it's dirt. It's everywhere and it's free. It's a thing our kids track through the house endlessly. And yet, I'm Kylie. I make hikaru dorodango, the Japanese art of polishing mud into mirror shiny spheres. And I have been completely obsessed with it. I didn't expect to love it as much as I do. I started because I was curious, and I stayed because I could not stop. And somewhere along the way, I started helping others make them too. Over 200 makers worldwide have made their very first dorodango using my kits or tutorials. They are called the Dirt Collectors. This is my collection. Every single one started from a lump of clay. Some from my backyard, some from hiking trails, and some from my kits. Together, we turn the most overlooked thing on earth into something that people pick up and simply refuse to believe is mud. If you've found your way here, I think that you're probably one of us already. You just haven't made your first ball yet. My complete kits are linked below. Everything that you need. A free 2-hour tutorial, and I'm personally here if you get stuck. Welcome to the Dirt Collectors. I'm really glad you're here.